Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we go again, another Wednesday, another shave, and as always we've got a good one lined up for you today. I'm still fighting the remnants, the after effects of the flu jab, so bear with me guys. But if you're new to the channel, please click like and subscribe, hit that notification bell as well, and you'll be notified of other fun-filled videos that are going to be uploaded in the future. If you're a returning viewer, thank you again for your continued support. Right, as you've seen in the thumbnail, got a good one today. We're going to go old school. Check this out. Not used this one for a while. I've picked up the wrong one. Bear with me. And I'm back. There you go. The Semogue 820. That's 820. That's the 830. That one's never been used. Not ever, not once. It was shrink wrapped in cellophane. I don't know why I took it out, but I did. I think I planned on using it and never used it. This one, on the other hand, has been well used. So we'll get that soaking in some water. There you go. The John Shaves Super Soaker. We'll get that in there. That's the brush. The razor. Here we go. There you go. The Wilkinson Sword Quad. It's a DE, a double edge razor if you like, but each edge has two blades. And you do that, and you pull that off. There, that comes off there. And here's the one thing that people don't like. This is the one thing that's universally despised, is that these are propitiatory blades, or proprietary blades as some people call them. And there it goes, comes in there. Get about 5 of them, come in there, and there, can you see that? I know the light isn't greatest, it's dark, I'm doing this on my phone, but there you go. You put that in there, that sits on there, that sits on there, and then away you go. Let's just make sure it's all sat. It's all sat nice and even. Actually a good looking razor, feels pretty good. Not keen on this rounded bottom, but then again, look at that. So you've got 2 blades in there and 2 blades in there, and we'll put that in some water next to the Semogue to get some heat in that blade. Right, we're going to be balming up with this sandalwood scented EAD, and then we've got a matching splash and aftershave. Look at this, Uncle John's pipe smoke. They're absolutely tiny, these guys, and if you noticed on the thumbnail that they're a lot bigger. So I took a photograph of these, enlarged it, and then slotted it in with the other stuff that I'm using, because when I put these next to the brush, oh, absolutely tiny, absolutely tiny. So that's what I did. Uncle John's pipe smoke. Okay, here we go. Now it says, there's the pour, it says in here, let's have a look. Ingredients, there you go. You can have a look at that and see what you think if you want to pause that. All good stuff. Now it says it's got notes of pipe smoke, caramel and vanilla. I get pipe smoke and I get caramel. I don't get vanilla at all, but what I do get, and I'm not understanding, the pipe smoke's good and strong, but I get cherry. I get an ever such a subtle hint of sweet cherry in that. There you go. And we've got the matching splash. So we're going to wet the face, and then we're going to crack on with this shave. A lot to talk about, and I'm actually seething. I'll explain. I'll explain. Oh guys, there you go. So we'll wet the face there, and then this is what I tend to do when I get pucks like this. I've done this. Anyone's ever seen me use a puck before, this is how I use them. This is just, I've always done it. I don't know why. There you go. That looks like enough. That's nice and dry now. We'll put that back in there. Oh, wow. very slick, very, very slippery slope, but it's glycerin based, I think, so that will account for that. Now let's see if we can get a lather with this teeny tiny brush. We should do. Look at this. So yeah, do you remember the in-app release of Doug's blades? Them strangler blades or something they call. The day they came out, I bought 100 or 200. I think it was 100, only one pack. Dip the tips. The day they came out. Doug posted a couple of days later. Look at this leather, guys, it smells. I'll put the scent strength on this at about a 5. It doesn't diminish. And it's been sat in there for ages. Wow, really, really, really superb quality. Superb quality. Anyway, look at this. Absolutely wonderful. Anyway, we'll dip them tips again. Anyway, as I was saying, they'll post it out within a couple of days. I think from Doug, according to the app from Doug, they went to San Francisco. From San Francisco they went to New York. From New York they went to London. From London they went to Birmingham. From Birmingham they went to Manchester. From Manchester they went to our local post office just up the road there. And they've lost them. Can you believe that? They've lost them. Apparently they've been sat in there since last week. We got the app updated and said they were there on Friday, so we thought, well, they'll come today. They didn't come Saturday, but I was too ill. So we just thought they'd come Monday while we're out at work. Monday evening, nothing, so we decided when we finish work today, we would go to the sorting office and find out what's going on. And the guy was like, not here. They've been delivered. So they haven't been delivered, and the tracking information is showing that they never left here 5 days ago. They came here 5 days ago and never left here. Ah well. Ah well. What's the first time I've ever actually wanted to pull a human being's head off with my bare hands? Ah well. I had to leave empty-handed. File a claim. Furious. But anyway, that's that. Let's get some positivity going. I will be filming tomorrow the giveaway draw. I'll be doing that tomorrow. And Lee, I'm going to be sending you some samples soon, buddy. I was waiting for the blades because I was going to put you a couple of packets in. These blades are past it. They've been used a couple of times. But you can get them on Amazon.com. But for some strange reason they won't deliver to the United Kingdom. So if you're in America and you get these, send us a pack and I'll PayPal you the cash. I wouldn't mind a couple of packets, you know. Because I don't think I'm going to be using it that much. But I would like to put it away with a full pack of the blades. Yeah, it's very tuggy though. I think this will be the last time I use this particular blade. But like I said, the razor's got a good weight and it's a good looking razor. It's mild. But wow, I'm loving this Uncle John's pipe smoke. Now I wanted to use this because this is without doubt the best scented tobacco scented soap I've ever encountered. And I said that to a few people and they said, well, you quite clearly haven't tried Cavendish by PAA. So I've ordered some Cavendish too. I've ordered some Cavendish by PAA. So when that comes, I'll be using that. And I wanted to use this so I could compare the two. And I've got another really nice, slightly different tobacco scent. Different, the nice tobacco scent. I've already used it once in one of my videos, but I don't think you'll remember. But it is nothing like this, and it's nothing like any tobacco scent I've used before. It's nice, but it's different, and I'm going to compare it to these and we'll see where we go. But wow, just that little dusting of that soap on the beard. It's thinning out a bit now, but we got 3 passes out of it, didn't we? I'm not going to revisit the puck, we don't need to. So let me know what your shaves of the day are, guys. And remember, I'll get that video done tomorrow for the giveaway. We've got the first and the second prize. And hopefully I'll find my razor blades. But hey ho, do you know when you're poorly, when you're ill and you're hacked up, nothing goes right, does it? It's like there's a higher force at work thinking, go on, squeeze him now. But yeah, that blade, that's very rough, that now. So I'm not going to go too much with it. You don't want to overshave. And you're getting into the realms of irritation. Leather mittens. Well, did I say mittens plural? Yeah, go on. Hey, more like a leather finger off a glove than a leather mitten. Yeah, but as always, it's just the usual suspects there, isn't it? Yeah, so like I said, please let me know what your shaves of the day. Let me know what you think of the razor. I think I know actually, because I agree with you. But it is unusual. It is a razor. I'd get it out, give it a go, get a video out of it. And there you go. That's our shave, guys. I'll tell you right now, it's not the closest of shaves. We'll do the lean-in. It's presentable, but it's not ideal. But it did okay, that, didn't it? Look, there it is. Just put that on there. Absolutely fine. The matching splash. Let's see what we get from this. It's like a milky colour. Is there alcohol in it? No. Oh, so what am I getting? That's just like pure concentrated pipe smoke. Absolutely wonderful. And I had tobacco balm, but I used tobacco balm, and this doesn't smell anything like tobacco. So I thought we'd use this. Bit of sandal. It's not overly scented with sandalwood, but if you sniff really hard, you do get a scent of it. But for the price you pay for this, I think that was 90p. It's pretty decent balm, guys. And that's how we shave. Thanks for listening. Thanks for sticking with me. Let me know what you think about anything used in today's shave. Anything we spoke about. Tune in tomorrow. And that giveaway, it'll probably go up late because I've got to get in from work. I've got some stuff to do tomorrow afternoon. early evening, so it'll probably be early, maybe late evening when it goes up, but it will go up. I'll do the draw, and that's it. That's our share. Thanks again, guys. Have a wonderful rest of the week. Look after yourselves, and remember, in a cold, dark world, you be the beacon of warmth and light. Look after yourselves, and I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. Bye.